Hey teachers, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a learning goal or objective in your MagicSchool Student Rooms. And I'm going to show you how the AI can automatically detect whether or not your students need more support or they're already demonstrating a skill. All right, so the first thing we need to do is set up a student room. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part to get to the good stuff. Full student room setup tutorials are available on our channel, so make sure you subscribe for more. Now, how do you set up a learning goal or objective for the AI to track? Let me show you. Down here at additional fields, you're gonna see learning objective or goal of this chat. It says, what do you want students to get out of this chat? This helps guide the AI and generate deeper student performance and progress insights afterwards. So in just a minute, I'll show you what this looks like when students start to interact with this tool and how it actually can gauge students' understanding based on the conversation. So for the learning objective, I said, please assess the student's comprehension of the learning expectations related to the attached learning objectives. Then here, I'm going to actually attach that file again. So now as a teacher, I'm just going to preview this just to make sure it functions the way I hope it would. Now, if you're happy with this tool and you're ready to give it to your students, you just simply say save to room. You can name this room, and then you can share it with your student. Now let's see what this looks like from the teacher view once students start to interact with the tool and dive into those conversations. So here I have a student room where I have a few students that have already interacted with a tool that I had set up with the learning objective. I can quickly click on individual student names, and over on the right, I can see their learning progress. You can see this student here, Bob, is approaching. This means that the student showed partial understanding of the topic. Then you have a quick summary of what that conversation looked like, what types of things that the student was able to understand. If I go to another student, Jane, you can see that Jane needs more support. And finally, the last student here you can see is demonstrating. Now, on top of just seeing individual student insights, you can also go to the full room insights. You can see all kinds of useful data here, but I'm gonna go down here to student threads. And here you can see the progress bar. So I can go through and see every student and where they're at, as long as they've had enough generations to have a conversation with the chatbot. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions about how to use MagicSchool, make sure you let us know in the comments below and subscribe for more.